Dayton here, and I want to thank you for considering Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services. I'm looking forward to the possibility to work with you and your clients, but before you give us the chance, I want to show you back there in the shop what we do, the techs, and also our education and experience, because I believe you need to know what you're doing before you go into a home. And I want you to see here, these are my personal certifications. I'm an IICRC certified, starting with a structural drawing to carpet upholstery. Now, if you look on the top, that's my triple master certification. That is the highest level that we can get in the ICRC. It's starting from textile cleaner to fire and smoke to water restoration. Every technician in the company is required to go through the training and get all the certifications. And we all have experience. It's a requirement to be experienced to qualify for those. Plus, you got to take tests and training. But let me show you in the back as well where you're gonna be getting. All right, now we're in the back of our shop because I wanna show you the equipment that we have in hand. That way, when we come into a home, you know that we're not renting equipment, that we have equipment. If you see here, we got a lot of extractors, floor scrubbers, and then we jump into the restoration equipment. Air scrubbers to contain the dust, to clean the air, and then we keep coming in here. We got a generator, we got several dehumidifiers. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a heater. We got quite a bit of dehumidifiers. That way we can bring into the home. Now let me show you a van. These are commercial vans with commercial extractors. If you see, we got a piece of commercial equipment that it will show up into a home, that it will extract all that water out, and that's why I want to show you all this. Now I'm gonna be showing you some of the fans, the air movers that we also bring in for you. All right, now you can see back there how much drying equipment we got. We got a lot of fans that goes into homes. You see the blue stack up there, those dark ones. We got more on the bottom back there. And then if you look all the way to the wall, we still got some more. Now this furniture that you see here, forget about that. That's furniture that came out of a home that we're cleaning, but concentrate on that equipment that we have there. We got plenty of equipment, well-trained, educated technicians with vans that will go into homes and extract all that water out, dry it out properly, and your client and you will be happy with the service.